Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I am with you with another amazing experiment, and by the way, this was told to me by a subscriber, and I will let that comment in above somewhere here, and you can see. Actually, I was going to do this, but instead of using this wax, I was finding the silicone spray, but she recommended that there is a wax that we use on jesmonite to seal it up, so you can use that on these molds so that when you pour the silicone inside it will come out easily. So right, I had this stuff and I was super excited, so I thought why not give it a try. So these are the molds, and these are simple cheap molds that you buy online. So but these are detailed mold. As you can see, there are many tiny details in this mold, and I thought, I was afraid that it might get ruined or anything, but let's see. We have to destroy things to get something new. So you can see what I'm doing here is I already poured the silicone into two of the molds here. In the other two, I am just rubbing this wax inside, and I'm making sure that it's going to every place with my finger. You can use a brush here, but I think that by doing the fingers, I was rubbing it inside the crevices everywhere. So I wanted to make sure that it reaches everywhere, the wax. So I took my time and I didn't speed the video up, so you can see that I have taken some time here while rubbing the wax inside of each tiny details. It would have been easy if my mold was a simple plain one, but I wanted to try and see that is it possible to get these inlays. So if this is successful, so you can skip a whole process of making the molds first and then pouring the silicone inside. So let's see. So I'm done here with my wax, and I have mixed my silicone, and I always use this silicone. I will link it down, and it's really amazing. It is a bit expensive, but I always make my mold by this silicone. It is highest quality one. So make sure to mix it thoroughly. And now I will be pouring this into these two of the, one is the moth and one is the bat. So do let me know if you have any ideas that where should I use these inlay. I have something in my mind regarding the Halloween, but if you have any good suggestions, I would really welcome that and would like to create something according to as your suggestions. So one of my mold, you can see here, the moth one, the silicone was getting a bit out, so I put a bit something that you can to balance it up. So these molds are done. I have some silicone left over. I thought why not try this one as well, because this is a bit different. That the mold of that butterfly and moth were of different silicone, and this is a very soft silicone. So I thought, well, let's see if it's work in this one as well. So I clean my mold. And now what I did different here is that I am not using the wax. I am using a baby Vaseline here. I wanted to see that if Vaseline do the same thing as the wax, so that everyone can do it, because everyone have Vaseline lying around in their house. So still I had some silicone left. I thought again I will make a fossil mold. So this is a fossil and I'm making a mold out of it. Again, it's an inlay. So I'm making a mold here direct from the source without any other mold, direct onto the fossil. So when I make mix silicone, I have a lot of things around me that I know that there will be a little silicone left and I don't want to waste it as it's expensive. So the moment of truth, first I will be doing some satisfying peeling of the silicone. That's always so exciting. And now, yeah, this was a drizzy mold of the crystal I grew myself. So again, these are around me. You make them once and you make a lot of molds out of them. So here is a drizzy inlay. Nothing is wasted here. And this is the fossil mold. Here we go. Here we go. I just need a cleanup. And now let's see. I was really afraid and excited both ways. And ladies and gentlemen, I can see the silicone has been removed. And I was really happy, but still, while I was removing the silicone, I do felt a bit of pulling, but it came out really well. I'm so happy. And the wax, this is the wax you are seeing here. It will be removed, so not an issue. All the details have been picked onto the second one. I can see it's pulling off, and here we go. Every piece of the mold has came out perfect. And the details the silicone has picked up, it's because of the time I've taken to put the wax inside the mold. It's very necessary. You can see the veins and everything. So I'm so excited about it. It's so satisfying when you waste nothing and something actually happens. And here we go. The mold came out really fast and with all the details. I'm so happy about it. Now let's see if we are successful in this one. Okay, yeah, it came out as, but I think my silicone was a little, so that's why I got these gaps. But still, I really love this mold of moon and sun. It came out perfect. I'm really happy about this technique. Thank you so much for the Dragonfly for referring me. It did open up a whole lot of ideas for me. You can use Vaseline, wax, anything. So this was a quick tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you did, please do like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.